Hello everyone, welcome to this video, Statistical Testing. Introduce myself, my name is Siti Zahra, NPM 23411110, Management 23D, Critical Concept in Research and Data Analysis. In this session, we'll go through the fundamental of statistical testing step by step, for the basic definition, type of test, to how we interpret the result. Let's get started. 1. Introduce to statistical testing. Statistical testing is a process used by researchers to make decisions or inferences about population based on sample data. The goal is to determine whether there is no evidence in a sample support a certain hypothesis about the population. In simple terms, when we collect data, we often want to know, is the effect real or is there truly a difference between groups. Since we usually can study an interpopulation, we use a sample and apply statistical testing to draw conclusion. This method helps you minimize uncertainty and make object decisions in the face of data variable. Hypothesis in statistical testing. In any statistical test, we start with two hypotheses. The one, zero hypothesis. This assumes that there is no effect, no relationship, or no difference between variables or groups. It represents the station, Q, or position of natural. The alternative hypothesis, this claim that there is an effect, is a relationship, or is different. For example, if a researcher wants to know whether a new drug is more effective than an old one. Well, the alternative hypothesis would state that the new drug is more effective. The goal of statistical testing is to evaluate which of these two hypotheses is more consistent with the observed data. Significant level and p-value. In statistical tests, two important concepts are the significant level and the p-value. The significant level, often denoted as alpha, is the threshold we set to determine whether to reject the zero hypothesis, which is where to accept a 5% chance of making a type error. This is wrongly reject a true hypothesis. The p-value is the probability of observe the data or something more extreme, assuming than zero hypothesis. The statistical testing process. Let's walk through the process of considering a statistical test. 1. Formulation the hypothesis. Define your zero alternative and hypothesis based your research question. 2. Determine the significant level, usually set at 0.05. 3. Choose the right test depending on your data type and research design, selecting and parametric, non-parametric. 4. Collect and analyze the data. Your data and compute the data static. Let T, V, Q square are another. 5. Compare with the critical value or p-value. Use statistical table or software to determine the p-value and compare your test static with the critical value. 6. Draw a conclusion based on your population and significant level. Decide whether to reject or accept to zero hypothesis. Conclusion. Statistical testing play a vital role in validating research findings. and help research make information conclusion. It allows you to go beyond more observe and test whether what the observed in a sample reflect a true effect in the population. Thank you for watching, and I hope this explanation gives you a clear understanding of statistical testing.